Well, it's time to start getting this room cleaned up. This is my first part of my room that I'm going to start with. Now I'm going to grab some hangers and start putting all these items on hangers if they go there or in a drawer. Or if they're seasonal clothes, they will go away under my bed. I wanted to make a side note. You have to have a game plan when you're doing this. I have other little baskets. Some of the things I'm going to put in a drawer, and I put them on the bed. I've already hung a few items up in the closet that were in the pile. I also have a little shelf that I put some of the things in that closet. When you have ADHD, like I do, you need to simplify your life as much as possible. Otherwise, it becomes a cluster. I had an aunt that was a hoarder, so I believe that she had ADHD. But she always had somebody to help her with her mess, usually my mom, her sister. I also made a basket for all the towels and washcloths that I'm going to take to their places all together. There's some things that go in the bathroom, some things that go in the kitchen, various other places. But I've already knocked off quite a bit of the pile in this corner. I'll give you an update in a moment. After just a short amount of time, sometimes you just need to take breaks. Get a glass of water, refocus, because things can be very overwhelming for ADHD. That's why I hadn't touched it in a while. Not since I put this room together last year have I really done anything with it. Well, I'd have to say I made a pretty good dent. Put away the clothes in places where they were needed to go. Still got things to pick up. Still got things to put away. This is the stuff that goes under my bed. Part of it, I already put some things under in another box. But now next I have to focus on this part of the room. And now, on this side of the room, I need to take everything off of the shelf, top to bottom, and dust it off. And then put everything back. Okay, I completed my room. And this is the result. Everything is much better. Of course, it doesn't look 100% perfect, like some people's houses might. But as I said, try to keep it uncluttered. That's outside my room. That's the stuff that I'm going to put away. This shelf is completely cleaned off, dusted off. Everything that belonged in the closet went in the closet. And everything is picked up. To sum up everything that I've done today, I want to thank you for sticking with me to the end. I do want to mention one thing. If you have ADHD children, show them how to do their room as though it's a game. because I did the same thing for my children. Start with the little things and show them maybe a color item. Tell them to pick up all the blue things first. It'll teach them their colors. If they're toddlers, if they're older than that, then they'll know what they're doing. Then go to the red and the green and whatever other colors. Or you can start with toys, clothes, shoes. Sometimes it's simple if you just start with color, then they understand it. That's how I taught my children. Hopefully this video will help one person, if maybe, in showing them how simple it could be to clean up just one room. Don't overpower yourself with everything in the rest of the house. Just one room. That's all you need to do. One room. Thank you for sticking out with me. See you next time. Bye now.